Welcome to Terra Naturals. In this video, let us explore the making of Soapnuts and Shikakai Bioenzyme. Soapnuts and Shikakai Bioenzyme can be used in a natural shampoo and conditioner. It is an eco-friendly household cleaner. Both Soapnuts and Shikakai Bioenzyme provide antifungal and antimicrobial benefits. First, wash the Shikakai and Soapnuts. How to use Shikakai and Soapnuts bioenzyme. In hair care products, mix the bioenzyme with water or other natural cleaners to create gentle shampoo. For hair conditioner, blend the bioenzyme with natural conditioning agents like aloe vera, coconut oil or honey. Apply after shampooing and rinse thoroughly. For body wash, face wash and scrubs, combine the bioenzyme with a mild cleanser base and can formulate the skincare products. These bioenzymes can be used in multi-purpose cleaner, laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid also. The washed water can be used as a pesticide for the plants. Let's get started the recipe. The ratio should be 15:10:3:1. Container capacity 15 times, water 10 times, soap nuts 3 times, shikakai 3 times, jaggery 1 time. Add shikakai in a separate container and add soap nuts in a separate container. Note: remove the seeds from the soap nuts before making the bioenzyme. It's a 90 days process. First 30 days you have to open and close the lid. Next 60 days leave the container as it is. After 90 days the bioenzyme is ready to use. The white color formation on the top denotes the bioenzyme formed successfully. Let us check the bioenzyme formed successfully or not. White layer denotes the bioenzyme formed successfully. Black color layer denotes the bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some jaggery to recover it. If you see some worms like this, the bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some jaggery to recover it. If you see the green color formation, the bioenzyme has fully spoiled. You have to discard it. Now filter both the bioenzymes. Filter the Soapnuts bioenzyme and Shikakai bioenzyme. Soapnuts bioenzyme and Shikakai bioenzyme can be used as laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, fruits and vegetable wash, hair shampoo, pet shampoo, pesticide, car wash and toilet cleaner. Soapnuts and Shikakai bioenzyme is a versatile and sustainable alternative to conventional chemical cleaners. Soapnuts and Shikakai bioenzyme is ready to use. I combine Soapnuts bioenzyme and Shikakai bioenzyme. Let us see how I clean my silver vessels using Soapnuts and Shikakai bioenzyme. Always use a inner cap to preserve the bioenzyme. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.